Brown v. Board of Education is a case that said the separate but equal logic that justified segregation was unconstitutional because although separate, these facilities were not at all equal. Since 1869's Plessy v. Ferguson, racial segregation was legal under the separate but equal doctrine. Schools, restaurants, bathrooms, you name it, could be segregated as long as the facilities were deemed equal. Unsurprisingly, they never were. Enter the Brown family and several others across the country. In Topeka, Kansas, 7-year-old Linda Brown had to walk through a dangerous railroad switchyard and take a bus to attend an all-black school, even though there was a perfectly good all-white school just 7 blocks away from her house. The NAACP, led by brilliant lawyer Thurgood Marshall, who would later become the first black Supreme Court justice, strategically chose several cases to challenge school segregation. They argued that segregated schools violated the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. But here's where it gets interesting. The NAACP didn't just use legal arguments, they brought in psychologists and social scientists who conducted studies showing that segregation psychologically harmed black children. The famous doll test showed that black children preferred white dolls and thought they were prettier, demonstrating the psychological damage of segregation. In a unanimous decision, Chief Justice Earl Warren wrote, "Separate educational facilities are inherently unequal." The court said that even if facilities were identical, which they weren't, the act of separation itself created a feeling of inferiority that violated equal protection. The decision overturned decades of legal precedent and sparked massive resistance in the South, leading to events like the Little Rock Nine and other integration battles. How do you think the court should balance legal precedent with changing social understanding? What role does psychological evidence have in legal argumentation?